A skin lesion heal over time, but sometimes deep wound scars do not heal. The sign of these deep wounds is called a keloid. These signs of wounds look very bad. Not only this, people who have a lot of pimples problem, they are also likely to be a keloid. If there is a keloid on some hidden parts of body, then we do not have much problem. But if this problem is in the face, then it seems quite ugly and ugly. If you also have this problem, do not panic. Today we are going to tell you the solution to overcome the problem of keloid through this video. Let's first know what is keloid and what are its main symptoms. What is keloid? Skin scars caused by wounds or pimples are called keloids. It is a scar tissue that spreads on the skin in extraordinary ways. The skin starts to pick up on the parts of the skin that have the effect of keloid. Keloids can be of any size, small or large. Its color is darker than the color of the skin. There is no harm in any way with keloid, but due to the appearance of ugly, many people get it treated. Without treatment, the keloid does not go through the skin. Symptom of keloids. The skin turns red or pink when it is a keloid. To be a sign of injury. Friction on clothes, skin roughness. Itching around keloids. Some people also feel pain around the keloid. Causes of keloids. Skin burns, ear piercing, chicken pox, scratches on the skin, surgery cuts, vaccine place. Some people may have keloids problem due to genetic reason. Natural cure for keloids. Number 1. Baking soda. You can also get rid of keloid problems by using baking soda. For this, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now add 3 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to it. Now mix it well. Now apply it to the affected part with the help of cotton and leave it for about 20 minutes. After this, wash with normal water. The problem of keloid can be overcome with the use of baking soda. It can also relieve inflammation on the skin. Number 2. Garlic. You can overcome many problems by using garlic. To use it, crush 2 to 3 garlic cloves well. Now apply it on the affected area. After about 15 minutes, clean it with lukewarm water. The problem of a keloid can be overcome by using it twice a day for a month. Actually, garlic is found in antioxidants. By using it, you can remove the problem of skin stains in a pinch. Number 3. Lemon juice. Many skin problems can be overcome with the use of lemon. You can overcome the problem of keloid with the lemon juice. For this, first take lemon juice and apply it to the affected part. Leave the lemon juice on for about 30 minutes. After that, clean it with lukewarm water. Using it twice a day for 1 to 2 months can help clean the keloids. Actually, lemon have antioxidant properties which can eliminate the problem of free radicals from the skin. In addition, itching, pimples and infection on the skin can be removed. Number 4. Sandalwood and rose water. You can also overcome this problem by using sandalwood and rose water. Take 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder for this. Now mix rose water as required. After this, apply this paste to the affected area before sleeping. Now cover it with a cloth. In the morning, clean it with lukewarm water. This can relieve the problem of keloid. Actually, it is believed that the skin can be repaired using a keloid. At the same time, rose water is used by many people as a toner. In this case, a mixture of these two can prove to be beneficial in eliminating the problem of keloid. Number 5. Grape seed. Keloids can also be eliminated from the root by use of grapefruit seeds. For this, first step, add 2 to 3 drops of grapefruit seed extract to it. Now mix it well. After this, apply it to the affected part with the help of cotton. Leave it on for about 1 hour. After that, clean it with normal water. Use it 1 time a day. You can get better results in 2 weeks. According to research, the seed of grapefruit contain vitamin C, which acts as an excellent anti-inflammatory. The problem of pimples can be overcome with its use. It helps in healing the wounds. It can also get rid of keloid stains. Prevention tips of keloids. By taking care of some things, you can get relief from the problem of keloid. Let's know the important tips to prevent keloid. Keep the skin clean. Avoid tattooing on the skin. Avoid skin peeling. Do not let the skin scratch. Do not pierce the ears too much.